Right, okay, you join us at a very special part in the show where Leanne is going to lift Elliot via the airplane. So, example, are you ready for this? Do you know what's coming?
No.
No. So basically, Leanne, you're going to lie on your back.
Yes, I've just put my shorts on.
Right, okay.
So we're all
Health and
covered.
safety.
And then she'll lie on her back, and you will. She'll put her legs in the air, right? And you will get on her legs.
Oh, with what? On my waist?
With,
or?
with,
Yeah.
your, with your chest.
Your tummy.
Yeah,
All
and
right.
then she will literally, and you'll put your legs out, so you're planking basically on her legs, and she'll lift you up. It's an actual
I do
airplane.
like
It's an
that.
airplane.
Come on, let's
Oh, his face. We'll put the video online in a minute. Okay, you ready for this? Here we go.
Is this the weirdest thing you've ever done in the studio?
Yeah. So,
Right, are you ready?
You're tall.
Just trust yourself. Here we go. This is
Got your
good.
hands
Here we
ready.
ready?
Legs are.
Right.
go. Go on, go on.
Can you straighten your legs out?
Yes! Oh, that's impressive. That is impressive for a girl. Yeah, exactly. She's a freak of nature. A freak of nature. Are we allowed to ask roughly how much you weigh? Just roughly.
Thank you, my love.
13 and a half.
Leanne, you're doing well.
I know.
This is impressive.
Yeah?
So you've.
I really didn't want to go full out with the arms then. I was a bit...
We don't blame you, but listen, you did it though,
Yeah.
and you're now number 2 on her airplane list.
Cool.
Again, that sounds really freaky.
When you were talking about airplane lists, I was like, I'm not going to tell you I've slept with on a plane.
No, probably that would be more fun. That probably.
Can't remember her name. Lovely stewardess. Virgin Atlantic.